guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find games that you can play with your friends. So like co-op games on Xbox. To do that, you're just going to go to all PC games or whichever you're on, like control you're on, I guess. I'm not sure how to explain that, but anyways, to find co-op games, unfortunately the filters does not work, so you have to click on the game to find out if you can play with your friend. For instance, A Way Out. If I scroll down, as you can see in capabilities, it is local co-op and online co-op, and also local multiplayer and online multiplayer. So what this means is that you can play with a friend. But for instance, maybe this one, I think if I just scroll down, it is single player. And yeah, that is basically how you can find out games you can play with your friends. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!